going to.
I'm gonna say, hey, what's up, guys? I just beat Cole.
All right, so what are we going to do? What's the game
We're
plan?
gonna do a hot pepper challenge.
Okay, so what's the challenge? Like, what's the rules of the challenge?
Whoever wins gets $1, and you have to at least hold it in your mouth for 1 minute.
I think you got to chew it up and swallow it.
Sure.
Alright.
Okay?
What is it?
It's a hot pepper.
Hot pepper challenge.
I want to hold it.
Are y'all ready for it?
I'm ready.
Can I?
Okay.
Yeah,
So you got to chew it up and swallow it. Can't
whole
make a
thing?
face. Whole thing. Can't make a face.
Alright.
It's a little
What is
pepper.
it? Easy. Let me do it already. I want to dominate them already.
All right, let's go get some. So we got some mild ones here, but we're not eating mild. We're going to the hot area.
If I win, he owes me $1.
Are we allowed to just like chew it up and swallow it?
Yep, you got to chew it up and swallow it. That's all you got to do.
Without spitting it out.
And making a face.
Yeah. It might be hard for y'all.
Yeah.
Why don't you just do it? No.
All right, guys, right over here they are.
We could take a little nibble. Y'all have to take the whole entire thing. Yeah.
Bro, that is small.
Yeah, they're small. You don't need a lot. I'll pick 2.
Hey, get one for her. She said she wants. Did you want to? I only need a tiny nibble.
It's gonna be hot. Like,
Is that how big they always get, or are they done young?
That's how big they get.
How many are you getting?
Or do you want one too?
I want one.
Okay.
hand me one.
I want you to hand me it.
Well, that's a little one. Hold up.
Hi.
Hold up, hold up, hold up. Oh, who wants a little one?
I'm not gonna have one.
Okay, are y'all ready?
Yep.
Here, wait.
Well, she
Am
wants
I-
to do it too.
You want to do it too?
No.
Oh, she changed her mind.
You sure?
Hey, can I go over there in the
I just want one.
Yep. Okay, let's go over there. Okay, here, I'm gonna get in this too. Y'all ready?
Try to move.
1,
2, 3. I ate it.
Lies, you lost.
You lie! You lie.
That's weak.
Weak sauce? Weak sauce.
Hey,
You get $1.
Okay. Yeah, you have to.